And here's I will show you how to switch between navigation and gestures in Samsung Galaxy A16 device. So as you can see, currently I have the navigation button. This is the back button, this is home button, and this is recent app button. I'll show you how to switch between buttons and gestures. Go ahead and launch the settings app. In settings, scroll down and tap on display. Under display settings, if you go down a little bit, here you will find navigation bar. Just tap on that. Now you can select buttons or you can select swipe gestures. If you select swipe gestures, then your navigation button will be removed from your display. Now to go back, just swipe to the right side or left side. And to go back to your home screen, just swipe to the top from bottom. And to see all of your recent apps, swipe and hold down your finger, and here you'll find all of your recent apps. Thanks for watching.